Being 68 and being in the business I've been in for 46 years here at Nutrition World, I have gone through 1,000 different ideas, plans, different programs that I would embrace in order to optimize my health. I can tell you, after all these years, the one single thing is I eat an early supper and I like something before I go to bed. But my new idea has worked so well for me because one, I look forward to it. The taste is incredible, and it also physiologically makes me feel probably the best that I've ever had. So I have a phase 1 drink and a phase 2. So I'm going to show you how I do my evening drink first. The products that I use for the evening are on this side. Organic, half and half. Have to get organic because I believe in a higher fat diet. And fat, when it comes to dairy products, is where chemicals reside within animals. So if the animals are eating a lot of pesticides and glyphosates and this and that's, antibiotics, it's going to find itself within the fatty cells that would be in half and half. So you got to get organic. Secondly is I use a small amount of granola. Do not believe in seed oils, which are the sunflowers, the canolas, the vegetable oils. Research is becoming so based in data that it is convincing that it is one of the worst damages our mitochondrial probably far greater than anything else, and that's how we produce energy, and damaged mitochondrial is how we become old. It's how we increase our rates of diseases, including cancer and especially cardiovascular disease. This is where the conflict between traditional thinking is, oh, we don't want saturated fat, but really and truly, we don't want oxidized fat that comes from vegetable oils. That will be proven out over the next decade, I will assure you. Next is organic blueberries. You know, I did a whole video that almost hit 3 million just a few months ago on the Dirty Dozen, and I listed the foods that had the highest level of pesticides. We know that blueberries are sprayed because they have to be almost, unless a farmer knows their stuff. So I don't want that, and it's hard to wash it off. You can wash part of it off with a vegetable wash in warm water. I didn't even want to do that. I want something quick and easy. That's the other thing about this drink. I lead a very fast-paced life. I got to have this thing done in 3 minutes, whether it be the evening or the morning, because I have too many other things I want to get done. And then lastly, after probably using 300 brands of proteins, Ancient Nutrition with the A2, which is a type of milk protein or whey protein that has so much better ability to be digested than regular A1. This is why so many people have milk allergies, because they've actually been using the wrong type of milk protein. So my evening drink is this. I will take a Magic Bullet. Always I use about half of the liquid will be or maybe a tiny bit less than half will be water. I don't usually use bottled water, but if I do, it's Penta. It has many properties that I really love. But then I will pour the half and half in here, cold. Then I will add my whole scoop, 1 scoop, it's going to give me 24 grams of protein, into the bullet. And then the thing that really makes it great is cold blueberries, because you've got to have a cold drink to actually make it taste fantastic. And so putting these in here enough where that drink's going to be nice and cold is absolutely perfect. And again, the cereal that I use is from Nutrition World. It's locally made in Hickson. It uses coconut oil, not seed oils. This is kind of like the magic bullet in here for sure, because I don't use much, and it gives it a whole different taste just to have a little bit of granola. And when I do this, this will be my evening drink, not my morning drink. And of course the blender. It's going to take a little extra blending because of the frozen blueberries. Don't do it too quickly or they will not dissolve. It digests fantastic for me. Gives me all the protein, very low glycemic in its index, which means the ability of it to raise blood sugar is limited. We have the fat that slows down the carbohydrates that are in it. There's no oxalates. That's something I really believe in because I know from my personal journey, it really is what I think destroyed both of my hips that required 2 years and 4 months ago double hip replacement. Since I've been off oxalates, I have almost no pain at all. I had up and down pain for so many years. But in the evening, this is it. I think kids would love it. The amount of sweetener in here is actually nothing. But there's something to it that makes your sweet craving go to nothing. I think the fat and the protein. If you have any sweet craving, you drink this drink, it will be gone within minutes, I can promise you. Never gain weight on it, never gain fat. It also, on a continuous glucose monitor, stays very steady. It doesn't jack blood sugar up. So at this point, this may be my keeper for the next decade. I don't know. Oh yes, that's the drink. Now, what do I do in the morning? Exactly the same that you just saw, except I want additional fiber. Why? Not just for elimination, it's because it feeds the microbiome. The microbiome, the gut bacteria, is responsible for most of your immune system and your brain chemicals. Taking probiotics, eating yogurt are all beneficial, but they don't live long unless they have food to be able to grow strong, stay strong. The only food they love is fiber. I've used all kinds of fibers, but Vital Fiber by Vital Planet does not have psyllium. Why is that positive in me? Because psyllium does cause some gas in many individuals. Nothing wrong with it, but psyllium non-organic has tremendous amounts of bad chemicals sprayed on it and glyphosates and everything else. So we got to use one that has like hemp and chia and other things. Next is creatine. This particular brand, TAG brand of creatine, is the brand that never bothers my stomach. And many brands did. I'm sensitive. Also, the research is overwhelming now about how creatine helps mental status, especially if you're sleep deprived, which sometimes I am, but it also maintains muscle. You know, the number one metric for the number two of the metrics for longevity that mean more than almost any other number that you can get. Guess what? It's not cholesterol. It's actually not blood sugar. It's marginally blood pressure. It is VO2 max and strength levels. VO2 max, the ability of the lungs to exchange oxygen. Strength, the ability to move weights, yourself, and anything and everything. And as we age, we lose 1% to 2% per year. The right protein and the right creatine can help maintain that. So 1 scoop of that. And then lastly, one thing I have been very driven on by data is the matcha tea. What is matcha tea? It's a concentrated green tea. Probably concentrated somewhere between 5 and 8 times the amount of active good ingredients that green tea would have. And the published literature on that is very impressive about its anti-cancer effects. I really believe that, and I recommend it to a lot of people who are going through health challenges and also wanting to prevent health challenges, to be doing 1 teaspoon a day of matcha. Do not do it at night. I tried it one time and I did not go to sleep for 5 hours. It has a small amount of caffeine. Don't know why I was so sensitive to it, but it is a morning drink. So it doesn't taste quite as good when I put all this in. That's why I don't do it in the evening, minus the matcha. I just want this drink to be delicious. That is my go-to. This is my healthy cheesecake at night or healthy dessert of any kind. So I want to give this to you. You got all the ideas here. Kind of mix it to your own percentages, but it's easy. Half and half organic, good cereal without seed oil, organic blueberries, and great whey protein. And if you can't do whey protein, then I recommend Truvani, which is the best quality plant protein I do believe is made. Doesn't like me very well. Whey protein loves me, but one of those two would be wonderful. And certainly nothing wrong with doing this mid-afternoon if you choose to. Thank you very much.